Estar seguro or segura de que. Estar seguro de que or estar segura de que. What are we talking about? This means to be sure of something. And we need to add more to that. That's why I have the ... at the end. Estar seguro by itself means to be sure. Okay? Same thing with estar segura. Now let's see the meaning of each single word. Estar is a verb. It's one of the most basic Spanish verbs and it means to be. Okay? Seguro or segura. Seguro is masculine and segura is feminine. So we're just replacing the O with the A. So seguro means sure. So you can say seguro by itself. Seguro, sure. Seguro also means insurance. And it also means safety pin. So it has quite a few meanings, but the phrase estar seguro or estar segura means to be sure. Now, if you want to add more to the sentence, then you can use de and que. Okay? So we're gonna look at some examples using this phrase so you can see how it works. The first example is estoy segura de que funciona. Estoy segura de que funciona. This means I'm sure it works. This is quite interesting. Let's break this down. Estoy. This is the verb estar conjugated in present tense for the personal pronoun yo. Okay, but we don't have yo because, as I always say, we don't need to use personal pronouns all the time in Spanish. That's the way Spanish works. Yo estoy. You could say yo, of course, but if you say it too much, it's not natural in Spanish. It doesn't sound natural. So estoy by itself means I am. Segura, we're using the feminine form of seguro. Segura means sure. Estoy segura, that means I'm sure, and this is feminine, remember that. De que, so we have these words that help us to add more to the sentence. And then we have funciona. Funciona means it works. So just by itself, if you say funciona, it means it works. Of course, you can say eso funciona, that works, but we don't have a pronoun here to refer to it. If you say just funciona, which is a verb conjugated, it works. It works. It makes sense. It means it works and it works. So that's how the sentence works. De que, this part here, de que, we don't have it in English. Okay, we don't have it. But it's similar to saying of ... Okay, so interesting. Let's look at some other example. Let's look at another one and let's see how the phrase works again in a different example. The next example is él está seguro de que tiene razón. Él está seguro de que tiene razón. And this means he's sure he's right. Okay, let's break this down. Él is a personal pronoun and it means he. está, this is the verb estar conjugated, and él está means he is. Seguro, we're using seguro, the masculine form of this word. Why? Because we're talking about him, he. Él está seguro. He is sure. And then we want to add more information to the sentence. So we're adding de que. We don't have anything here in English, but you need it in Spanish. Tiene, él tiene. We don't have to say él again because we said it at the beginning. So if you want to be precise, you can say personal pronouns, but you don't have to say them again after. So, tiene, él tiene means he is or he has. That's the literal translation. But tener razón, by the way, tiene comes from the verb tener, which means to have. And the phrase tener razón means to be right. So here we have tener conjugated, tiene, and then we have the rest of the phrase razón. And tiene razón means he is right. You can even say it by itself. Tiene razón, he's right. Tienes razón, you're right. Tengo razón, I'm right. So tener razón is a very interesting phrase as well. So one thing to notice here is that after saying de que, you need to have a verb. Okay, so this is a verb. It comes from the verb funcionar, which means to work, when something works. And we have tiene right here. This one right here, tiene, that is a verb as well. And I told you what it means, but it's important to notice that you need a conjugated verb right after de que. Okay, so that's something important to notice there. Remember, estar seguro or segura de que means to be sure of something. Okay, and remember to add a verb right after. Excellent. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Nos vemos a la próxima. See you next time. Bye. Adios. I want to give a big shout out to our Cafecito members: Christopher Michael, Ruby Brockenberry, Brianna L, Michael Lee, Regulation D, Hanko Juan, Christine Mache, Washti Bader, Formula Air JSE, Alan K, Diane McLaurin, and James Torma. If you want to support this channel and buy me a cup of coffee, please check out the Cafecito membership by clicking on the join button down below. Muchas gracias.